बच्चों, and today we are going to talk about confidence in detail. And let me tell you that something about confidence that might be a little uncomfortable to hear, but I promise you that if you complete this video after this 20, 10, 20, 15, whatever जितनी minute का भी ये video होगा, you will not look at the confidence the same way you have been looking at. And I will tell you 10 principles how to actually do it and become more confident version of yourself. So let me tell you, you do not have confidence problem, you actually have self trust problem, because every time you tell yourself that मैं ये करूँगा या कर लूँगी, आप वो टाइम स्क्रॉल करके वेस्ट करते हो. दिस इज द टाइम यू आर लूजिंग ऑन सेल्फ ट्रस्ट इन योर सेल्फ. एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग व्हाट द वर्ल्ड अराउंड यू बिलीव अबाउट यू, आई मीन जो वो आपके बारे में बिलीव करते हैं आप उसको विश्वास करते हो. सो that is how you lose your confidence. So I'm not going to teach you that how exactly you can change it overnight, but I'm going to tell you how you can actually work on it. Okay, so we look at somebody who is comfortable speaking, walking into the room, putting themselves out there, and then we think, oh, I wish I had her confidence or his confidence. But the harsh reality is confidence isn't something you're born with. Okay, it is something uh, which you build over a period of time. It is not something you magically wake up with one morning कि एक दिन सो के उठे आप 20 साल के हो गए तो अचानक से कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया. नहीं. Confidence is evidence. It is evidence that you have collected about yourself. And that evidence says that yes, I can handle uncomfortable situations. I can keep my promises to myself. I can fail. I can survive. कर सकता हूँ. जब ये बोलने लग जाते हैं ना हम बार बार अपने आप से, that is when you become confident version of yourself. और आप इससे भी comfortable हो जाते हो that yes, I will be disliked by people and that's okay. And you tell yourself that I can do difficult things even when I am scared. Do you think I don't get scared? आज की डेट में I do get scared on certain things. Okay, so if you are young right now, I know how difficult it is. And you are growing up into a world where you are constantly being watched compared to so many people and you are being judged. And I'll give you an example. जैसे आप Instagram खोलते हो, आप देखते हो somebody is looking better than you, somebody is achieving more than you, somebody got into this college, somebody is so popular, somebody is so confident, and without even realizing that where did they start from, you start measuring your worth against everyone's reel जो उन्होंने लगा दी है अपनी perfect life की. So today I am not going to give you the usual advice of believe in yourself, because honestly it is useless when you don't believe in yourself yet. And instead I will give you 10 principles that can actually be practiced in every single day life. और आप चाहे student हो, चाहे आप स्कूल में हो, चाहे आप एग्जाम्स करते हो, चाहे आप you're working, wherever you are, you can actually utilize these 10 principles in your life and you will change your confidence and the way you look at yourself. Okay, number 1, keep one promise to yourself. ओके, बहुत छोटी चीज़ से स्टार्ट करना है. बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें, बड़ी बड़े प्रोमिस नहीं करनी है. मे बी जस्ट मेक अ प्रॉमिस टू स्टडी फॉर 20 minutes and then study for 20 minutes. When you say that I will wake up in the morning, don't say that I will wake up at 4:30. Say that I will wake up at 6:30, then get up at 6:30. Because every time you keep a promise to yourself, you are building evidence that your word means something. Okay? So I want you to keep your promises to yourself. The smallest of the thing which you have been trying to do, maybe reading a book, maybe reading the newspaper, or anything else, just do it. I promise myself to make this video every day for 7 p.m. So see, even after being a mother, being so busy with my life, I just do it no matter how hard it feels every single day. Especially when I have to do newspaper analysis, when I have to cook the lunch, I have to go pick up my kids. I have dropped them. I have given them their tiffin boxes, freshly made, So in the evening, I take them for their sports classes. Then we come back. Then I cook dinner for them. Then we do the homework together. So अगर मैं इतनी सारी चीज़ें करके आप लोगों के लिए रोज़ ये 20-25 मिनट निकाल के वीडियो बना सकती हूँ, क्योंकि you guys give me so much of love and it feels like I do not have 2 kids, it feels like I have so many kids around. So you can do it too. I know initially it will feel hard, but when you will keep your promises to yourself, your mind will tell you that yes, see, you promised it yourself last night and you have done it, and I'm so proud of you. So give that little pat on your back and say that you're doing good. So this is how I want you to do it. Next is a super important one, and I want you to do it every single day without fail. Do one thing which you don't feel like doing. Okay, अब ये थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग लगेगा सुन के, बट रिमेंबर दिस दैट यू डोंट नीड अ बिग मैसिव चैलेंज, बट मे बी डू द चैप्टर यू हैव बीन अवॉइडिंग. मैथ्स में मान लो कोई एक डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर है और आप उसको इग्नोर कर रहे हो क्योंकि वो आपको पसंद नहीं है, जैसे कि मुझे अलजेब्रा पसंद नहीं था. जस्ट डू इट. ओके, so do that chapter, maybe finish that assignment which you were about or supposed to finish. Go for a 15-minute walk, then meditate, sit down with yourself, with your thoughts, even when it scares you. It's okay, right? Keep your phone in the other room. आधे घंटे के लिए don't look at your phone, any notifications at all. So every time you act despite resistance, you become less controlled by your emotions. See, there is a difference, and that is confidence. So I want you to start slowly, work on it step by step. ठीक है, कोई भी एक चीज़ जो कि आप कोशिश तो बहुत करते हो बट नहीं कर पा रहे थे, जस्ट इवन व्हेन यू डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग इट, आपको नहीं पढ़ने का मन कर रहा है न्यूज़पेपर, जस्ट पिक इट अप, जस्ट रीड 3 articles, just read 2 articles out of it. You don't feel like speaking in front of the mirror, it's okay, just go and do it every single day. There are days when I don't feel like making a video at all. बिल्कुल energy नहीं होती. But as soon as I switch on the camera, I start feeling so energetic that I'm going to speak to you all. Okay, and देखो हमेशा लाइफ में अच्छा नहीं फील होगा यार, बट जब आप काम करते रहोगे तो you will start feeling better. So keep working on yourself. Just keep doing what you have been trying to avoid. Just do that thing today. And this is one thing which is going to give you such a confidence which will build up in coming months, and you will be so thankful to yourself for this. Rule number 3 is stop trying to look confident. अच्छा, मैक्सिमम लोग जब बोलना शुरू करते हैं ना तो उनके दिमाग में बैक ऑफ द एंड ये चल रहा होता है कि क्या मैं कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहा हूँ. So stop thinking about how you look while you are speaking. You do not have to worry about that. What you have to worry about is that you keep going rather than कि मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं, मैंने पीछे अभी जस्ट एक गलती कर दी, किसी ने नोटिस तो नहीं किया होगा. Just shut the up, I mean, chuck it, man. So stop wondering about whether people are thinking that, oh, his grammar is wrong. Oh, इसने अभी ऐसा बोला. Nobody gives a damn as much as you are giving a damn. So stop monitoring yourself. Do yourself a favor. So put your attention on the conversation, on the task you are doing, and the people in front of you. So no matter how bad, how pathetic you actually feel from inside, from outside, I want you to just focus on delivering the thing right. जैसे कि मान लो अगर आप लेक्चरेट बोलने गए हो और आप एक चीज़ भूल गए, तो ये तो आपको पता है ना कि आप उसके बीच वाला पार्ट भूल गए हो. सामने वाले को क्या पता है कि आपने ये बीच वाला पार्ट सोच रखा था बोलने के लिए? Do they know? No, they don't know, right? So फिर why are you thinking so much about it? Oh shit, मैंने वो ये बोलना था effects, और मैं तो effects बोलना भूल गया हूँ, और अब क्या होगा यार, मैं no. हम अपने आप को जितना जज करते हैं ना बच्चों, उतना हमें कोई जज नहीं करता है, ठीक है? अच्छा, एक और चीज़, मैं जब छोटी थी ना तो मेरी बड़ी आदत थी शीशे को लेकर के, और मैं ऐसे देखती रहती थी, ओ मेरी यहाँ पे ये हो गया है, मेरी नाक थोड़ी ऐसी अजीब सी क्यों है, मेरे लिप्स इतने बड़े क्यों हैं, छोटे हो सकते थे थोड़े, आई वुड हैव बीन मच क्यूटर और स्मार्टर. फिर मैंने एक दिन एक बुक में लाइन पढ़ी कि हम अपने आप को जितना ध्यान से देखते हैं ना, उतना ध्यान से ऐसे शीशे में घुस के हमें कोई नहीं देख रहा है. And this line I read about after I became an officer. Imagine, I was reading a book and I read it. And I felt so right कि actually, nobody bothers. So that is what I want to tell you as well. Stop monitoring yourself. Put your attention on the thing which you are doing, okay? Rather than just putting it all on yourself. कि क्या मैं कैसा दिख रहा हूँ, मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ. And you will be surprised how naturally confidence will follow you. अच्छा, पता है लाइफ में हम सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिटिक खुद ही होते हैं. हम सबसे ज़्यादा अपने बारे में खुद ही गंदा बोलते हैं. अच्छा, जब भी आपको ऐसा लगे ना कि एम आई ट्रीटिंग माई सेल्फ राइट? अपने आप से बस एक चीज़ पूछना कि जो बिहेवियर आप अपने साथ करते हो, मान लो आपने कोई गलती करी, मान लो आपने कोई अच्छी चीज़ थी उसको बिल्कुल ख़राब कर दिया, और वही यही सेम गलती आपके किसी दोस्त ने की होती, तो क्या आप उसको उतनी हार्शली बोलते जितने अपने दिमाग में आप अपने आप को हार्शली बोलते रहते हो? So if not, please don't do that. Be a little kind to yourself. We all mess up, you know. I till date mess up sometimes, but we have to be there. ठीक है? लास्ट में एक इंसिडेंट बताऊंगी ऑप सिंदूर से रिलेटेड, अगर भूल जाऊँ तो मुझे याद दिला देना, आई विल मेक अनदर वीडियो अबाउट इट, बट आई मेस्ड अप बिग टाइम एंड आई विल टेल यू how I mean, you know, people around you actually make you feel confident. So अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप 40 साल के होने के आसपास जब 38 years old होते हो तो you don't mess up, ऐसा नहीं है, you still mess up, you know. Number 4 principle is speak before you feel ready. So in the class, in the meeting, in the lecturate, just say something. It doesn't have to be brilliant all the time, because you always wait until you have the perfect answer, and most of the time you will keep waiting in your life. If you will look for perfect things, do not be someone who looks for perfect time to start something. So what I want you to do is just speak, even when you're not confident, or maybe you are not feeling ready for that. I just want you to grab the mic, go start, sing that song, karaoke, go put your heart out in the lecturate, and you will be able to do so well. Go in the GD, speak, let people shout wherever you just get a time, enter the GD and just speak the point you have to speak. बट बच्चों, बोलना है ना तो कुछ क्रक्स बोलना है, कुछ कंटेंट इतना तगड़ा होना चाहिए कि लोग सुने, ओ भाई क्या बोला ये, ठीक है? जैसे कि मुझे किसी जीडी में एंटर करना होगा तो मैं ऐसे बोलूँगी, अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्वे ऑफ नेशनल सो एंड सो डन इन दिस ईयर, 80% of the rapes which are happening in India is because of non-education, or because of the base we have. I mean, something like that, you know. So what I'm trying to tell you is, do not try to be perfect. See, I was still not perfect, but I tried. So that is what is more important. You do not have to always wait until you have the perfect answer. And I don't want you to spend your life waiting. I want that your confidence comes for surviving these imperfect attempts. So just do it, dude. And principle number 5 is get comfortable being bad. Yes, you have to. And you know, that's something okay. So try something you are terrible at. Maybe a sport, maybe public speaking, maybe dancing, maybe creating content, or anything. So I remember I waited for so long that I will start creating YouTube videos when I will have a perfect team, when I will have people to edit my videos. And then I just started, you know, posting in these ghar ke kapde, sitting in one of the corners of my house and just talking to you like that. And now the comments which I get that, मैम मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे आप मेरे सामने बैठ के मुझसे बात कर रहे हो. So I never thought कि जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो अचानक से लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा. But I mean, I allowed myself to be awkward, and in this arena of where there is so much of editing which goes on YouTube and everywhere, I started to just put my videos raw. So what I do is I just make videos, उसको मैं in shots पे डालती हूँ and उसके captions डाल देती हूँ in English, so that anyone who doesn't understand Hindi totally can read the captions. And bas, that's it. So I allow myself to be awkward in today's world. So when I can do that as a 38-year-old, you can do that too. You're too young, you know, so let yourself be a little awkward. And I'll tell you something which will be harsh truth, that you cannot become impressive without first being unimpressive. So you have to make the bad videos if you want to make the good ones. So content creation, जैसे जब मैंने start किया था, तो I made pathetic videos, and slowly, steadily, I realized, okay, this is how I'm going to make good videos. And I mean, it just started. So what I'm trying to tell you is, just start. Get very, very comfortable with being bad, with being messing up, and that's okay. Because slowly, steadily, uh, you will become better at it. So I want you to be little willing to look stupid while you are learning the process. And let me tell you, everything is a process. ठीक है, अगर जैसे आपको अपना स्किन केयर रूटीन ढूंढना है तो भी आपको हिट एंड ट्रायल्स करना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर यू, व्हाट नॉट वर्क्स फॉर यू. जैसे कि यू वांट टू वर्क आउट, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट डू यू लव द मोस्ट. डू यू लव योगा, डू यू लव पिलाटेस, डू यू लव रनिंग, what exactly is something which you like. I mean, I took a long time to find out that I love strength training. So जब आप हिट एंड ट्रायल करोगे तभी तो पता चलेगा ना कि अच्छा क्या लगता है, what exactly do you feel good doing. So you have to be willing to look stupid while you are learning, and that's okay because सारे ऐसे ही दिखते हैं. Let me tell you, okay. Principle number 6 is stop comparing yourself behind the scenes to someone else's highlights. आई नो, एंड ये आज की जनरेशन के लिए सबसे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है बच्चों. जिस किसी की लाइफ आप देख रहे हो इतनी परफेक्ट जो वो दिखा रहा है सोशल मीडिया पे, यू माइट नॉट नो व्हाट्स बिहाइंड द सीन्स. सो व्हेन यू डोंट नो बिहाइंड द सीन्स, हाउ एग्जैक्टली कैन यू कंपेयर योर सेल्फ विद हिम और हर, राइट. तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ, हम जब छोटे होते थे तो हम अपने आप को कंपेयर करते थे हमारे साइड में रहने वाले चिंटू, मिंटू, पिंटू, व्हाटएवर यू नो जितने थे उन सब से करते थे. और अभी आजकल क्या होता है, तो वो चिंटू मिंटू दिन में कितने घंटे पढ़ते थे, हम ये भी पता होता था कि अच्छा ये इतनी मेहनत करता है, ये यहाँ खेलने जाता है, ये करता है. तो उस चिंटू मिंटू की लाइफ वी कुड सी फ्रॉम लाइक होल 24 आवर्स हमें पता होती थी कि व्हाट इज चिंटू मिंटू वर्किंग फॉर. आजकल की डेट में आपको नहीं पता है कि वो इन्फ्लुएंसर, वो बड़े बड़े लोग जिनको तुम लोग देख रहे हो, वो लोग कहाँ से लाता है वो चीज़. क्या वो उनको पीआर में आता है, क्या वो उनके मम्मी पापा का मनी है, क्या वो उनका बॉयफ्रेंड दे रहा है. So you exactly don't know, but you end up comparing yourself. Oh, she changes the dresses every single day. Oh, she goes to a coffee in GK. Oh, she goes to Khan Market every single day for coffee. That's okay. Okay? So stop seeing the results of the people and their lives. You are living that process, and social media makes comparison something which is almost every single day thing. And yes, I understand it's impossible to escape the comparison which you have been doing online. But tell your brain that this is fake. अच्छा, जब हम छोटे में मूवीज़ देखते थे और जब हम देखते थे कि हीरोइन का फादर उसे, जैसे कि जब जो मैंने डीडीएल जो थी वो मैंने काफ़ी बार देखी थी एज अ चाइल्ड, ठीक है. तो मैं देखती थी कैसे उसका फादर इतना खड़ूस है काजोल का, एंड उसका फादर कितना चिल होता है. सो हमें पता होता था कि ये मूवी ख़त्म तो कहानी ख़त्म, वी विल बी बैक टू रियल लाइफ. बट आजकल पता है क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आजकल आप लोग सोशल मीडिया देखते हो, अपने आप को कंपेयर करते हो, एंड देन you will find yourself thinking that why I am not where they are. लगता है ना ऐसा? Yeah, you have been doing that to yourself. But I mean, कितनी चीज़ें होंगी उसके पीछे जो आपको नहीं पता होंगी. So stop comparing yourself with the BTS of people's life, and do not compare yourself with anyone. आपकी situations, आपकी conditions, आपके घर की financial condition, आपके father कहाँ से उठ के आए थे, कहाँ तक लेके आए हैं आपको. You should have gratitude for all these things rather than comparing your life with someone who Ina Meena Dika, who is there online and who is wearing the PR ke kapde every single day, or maybe who is, and maybe, I mean, if she is wearing those PR clothes, or if she is doing that, she would have worked hard for it, bacha. I mean, it is not कि वो भी easily मिलता है, ठीक है. So अगर कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर है जिसने अपनी वो लाइफ भी बनाई है, तो उसने भी उतने घंटे काम किया होगा, उसने भी अपने आप को वो जो फेलियर्स, और ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे ही लोग कंटेंट क्रिएशन में आते हैं तो पहले दिन से ही उनको आने लग जाती है 500, क्या बोलते हैं, 500 कपड़े आने लग गए या कुछ ऐसा होने लग गया. तो स्लोली स्टेडली दे हैव ऑल्सो बिल्ड अप द लाइफ विच they are living now. So did you were you working hard when they were doing that? If not, then you have no right to compare yourself or your life with their life, okay? So rather than comparing your life to somebody on social media, I want you to ask that what am I actually going to do today to move forward in this life, okay? and I want you to come back in your lane and watch your own step that okay, next step is this. So social media को एक ऐसी जगह रखो जहाँ पे आप जाते हो just to have fun. But let me tell you, it is not a place to have fun because वहाँ पे you will end up comparing yourself and it's little difficult. So एक तो पहले तो जो influencing as in terms of lifestyle, in terms of clothing, in terms of ट्रैवल, ये बकवास चीज़ों को बंद कर दो. जब तुम्हें ट्रैवल करना होगा अपनी रिसर्च गूगल से कर लेना, ठीक है. यू डोंट नीड टू फॉलो दीज पीपल, ठीक है. स्पेशली एट दिस एज वेयर यू आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड योर सेल्फ, वेयर यू डू नॉट हैव लाइक ऐसा मनी नहीं है आपके पास बिल्कुल कि हाँ, इफ़ दे इंस्पायर यू वेल एंड गुड, देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट, बट डोंट लेट दैट इंस्पिरेशन ईट योर ओन लाइफ अप. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट प्रिंसिपल इज रादर देन कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट 90 थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ, fix two things. You don't like your room? Go make it clean. You don't like your skills? I want you to practice more. You don't like how your body looks? Work out. So confidence will grow when you see yourself solving your own problems. तब आपका दिमाग आपको सिग्नल भेजता है कि yes, there can be problems in your life, but you know how to solve them exactly. ठीक है. Principle number 8 is that accept that some people won't like you and that's okay. And accepting that people will not like you, this actually takes little time. धीरे धीरे होता है ये. So you can be kind, you can be genuine, you can do most of the things right, and somebody will misunderstand you or maybe they will dislike you. Your job is not to be liked by everyone else. Your job is to be someone you respect. There is a difference between two. I know छोटे से हमें बताया जाता है कि सबका ध्यान रखना है, सबका ये करना है. No. It's okay to be not liked by everyone. Principle number 9 is stop asking everyone for a permission. So you can ask for advices when you genuinely need it, but you do not outsource your every decision. Should I do that? Does this look good on me? Should I wear this? So what if you don't have roof? At the same time, you have to learn to hear your own voice. And I know in this world where there are so many voices, so many opinions, it is actually difficult. But remember this, self-confidence requires self-trust. So you have to build that self-trust on yourself. Principle number 10 is even if you have to do it scared. And this is actually the bigger one. You don't need to wait until you are fearless. You might be nervous before you will give a presentation. You might be terrified before posting your first video on the YouTube. You might feel completely unprepared before your lecturate. But do it anyway. Because confidence isn't that I am not scared. Confidence is I am scared, but I know I can handle whenever it happens next. And that's how I became I became a confident girl from a shy girl. So I was talking about messing up. It was Ops Indoor going on, and families were staying there in the family area. So I was with my husband at a place where it was going pretty bad, बहुत ही बुरा चल रहा था वहाँ पे. And बोला कि families को अभी भेज दो करके. तो every day we could hear, the drones coming in and everything. But there was a time when I decided that, and I told my husband that I'm going to go with kids because I'm kind of scared for their life. हमने अपनी जी ली है, but we should not be doing this to them. So let me go. And जैसे ही मैं जाने लगी, तो जैसे ही मैं ट्रेन में बैठी हुई थी, उसी टाइम वो वाला मैसेज आ गया दैट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प ने जो पोस्ट किया था ट्विटर पे कि द सीज़फायर हैज़ बीन अनाउंस्ड. एंड आई वाज सो फ्यूरियस कि मैं इतने दिनों से वहाँ पे थी, तब तो चली जा रहा था. इट वाज एस्केलेटिंग. एंड देन आई डिसाइडेड टू गेट डाउन फ्रॉम दैट ट्रेन. तो मैं उस ट्रेन से उतर गई अपने दोनों बच्चों के साथ. एंड इट वॉज सच अ सुनसान स्टेशन. एंड सीज़फायर अनाउंस तो हो गई, बट स्टिल द ड्रोन्स वर फ्लाइंग. अब मैं उस सुनसान जगह से टैक्सी लेके वापस अपने हस्बैंड के पास जा रही थी. एंड द एरिया वॉज नॉट वेरी सेफ. देयर वॉज नो लाइट एट ऑल. रात के 8, 9, 10 बज गए. एंड देन आई वॉज सो स्कैर्ड. I was feeling like I have messed it up totally. I called my husband up and I was so scared. I was panicking, and I told him that I'm so sorry कि मैं ट्रेन से उतर भी गई. And मेरे ट्रेन से उतर के इतना अच्छा लग रहा था मुझे कि I'm going back to him. I love my husband. I just want to be around him. उसके साथ मुझे बहुत पॉजिटिव फील होता है. So मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा आई एम सो सॉरी नाउ, मुझे वैसा लग रहा है रास्ते में लाइट नहीं है एंड आई एम फीलिंग वेरी वेरी स्कैर्ड, मुझे बहुत डर भी लग रहा है. सो ही सेड थिंग्स व्हिच जस्ट calms me down. उसने बोला इट्स ओके, जस्ट कम होम, आई एम वेटिंग हियर, मैं आता हूँ आपको लेने आधे रास्ते. एंड ही केम एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो. And this I'm talking about, we were posted just around 30 kilometers from the Pakistan. Okay? So if you have heard of the places in Ganganagar, which is just so close to the borders, that is where we were posted. And yes, I was not feeling my best at that time. I was not feeling confident, but then it was him who gave me confidence at that time. So yes, you will mess up. You will mess at the age of 35, 40, 45. But that's okay. So remind yourself that, confidence is something which you will learn slowly and steadily, and you will keep on building by doing things. But you might be, messing up. You might not be doing everything right, but just keep doing it, no matter how bad it is. And in case you like this video, do shower some love on me. That will help me in making more. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one.